Finding the courage to change, changing my focus. I grew up codependent in a sober home. From an early age, I assumed the role of fixer. I was going to fix the unhappiness that I saw in other people. It's a childish mistake. If others cheer up and feel better when I'm happy, then I must be making them happy. I took on a responsibility for others, and others were happy to lean on my willingness to be responsible for their happiness. As an adult, expectations and blaming and resentment were what I knew and what I did. My focus on the behavior of others was making me crazy and destroying my important relationships. Finally, a family member tentatively suggested that I go to a meditation class with them. But there was a catch. The teacher also required a weekly personal coaching session. Faced with the end of a relationship, I consented. I hated it. I couldn't sit still in meditation. It was like torture. I would sit in the car before my personal session and promise myself that this time I wasn't going to cry. I always did. Slowly, painfully, I began to shift my focus to my behavior. I was acting crazy. It was me. And for a long while, that felt terrible. It confirmed my secret fear that something was wrong with me. But one day something shifted. I suddenly realized that while I couldn't cause the other to change, I could change myself. I have the power to create my own reality. When I focus on me, I have total cosmic power. What a relief.